Do your photographs have a narrative or a storyline embedded in the image? If not, or if you're unsure, this is the tutorial for you. Okay, so we're going to begin with this image of the very famous church in San Miguel de Allende, Mexico, called the Parroquia. And it's a wonderful location, and especially when people are walking in and out of the church. Look at this beautiful wooden door. It's really quite incredible. Now, onto the main subject of this tutorial. Whenever we're dealing with a historical or culturally important location, for example, in Mexico, the Catholic Church is a really important part of the culture, of the family unit, of the fabric of society. If you were in, say, an Asian country, it would be the local temple or the local shrine. These are locations that really support and lend themselves well to a narrative. Now, a narrative is simply a word for a storyline that we can actually invent when we are looking at the picture. Now, each person may have a different interpretation of that narrative. They may come up with their own story. But in something like this, what I saw when I was photographing this man entering the parroquia is someone who is weighed down with concerns or cares or burdens, and he's entering the church to find a certain sense of solace or peace or rest or removal of those burdens. Now, is this the case? Who knows? I don't know this man. I don't know his story. I don't know anything about him. So while I can't say for sure that this is indeed his emotional or mental state or spiritual state, I'm okay with this shot because I don't see his face. I'm not embarrassing him in any way. So I feel that I'm at liberty to allow this story to unfold as it will with regards to who's viewing the picture. So I'm viewing this picture right now. I see this as a man looking for solace. You are viewing this picture now. What do you see? Feel free to comment below what you see in this picture. It may be completely different than what I see. Okay, so just to sort of wrap this up, whenever we're dealing with the ethics of street photography, especially if a person is struggling in life, it's often best to not have their face visible. Now, this is totally different if we're talking about documentary or news reporting or photojournalism. That's a different story. I'm just talking about my own ethics for street photography and travel photography. There's always exceptions to that rule. However, if the emotion is neutral or positive, then I'm totally fine with showing their faces in most situations. Also, look for the background. The background should be a location that has a rich amount of social, cultural, even spiritual value within that society. So for example, this church is really important in the San Miguel de Allende, Mexico society. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I'd love to hear your comments. How do you see this picture? Please write them below, and I'll see you in the next video. I try to do these every day, so check back tomorrow. Have a great day. Happy photography.